probably going to be a little bit more vocal. Phoenix is a female. Aquila is a male. I'm just making an observation. I'm not trying to.
Okay, so they're bringing out Phoenix, and Phoenix is the bald eagle. And the bald eagle is, Todd said there were 2 eagle species indigenous to North America. The golden eagle is indigenous to northern hemisphere worldwide, so the northern hemisphere. The bald eagle is only found on the North American continent. So from the Arctic Circle down to the very northern part of Mexico, so North America. So we're the only country in the world that has it. And Canada, so that's kind of partly why she became our national symbol. So when white Europeans first landed on this continent back in the 15th century, ornithologists have estimated that there were probably 500,000 bald eagles. They'd never been seen before, of course, by white Europeans, and so they started looking at them. She's a fish eagle. Fish live where? On the water. So that means she's going to be, or her kind are going to be around water. Well, what do human beings, when they move in and they have, they need to live, they need for their farms, they need for their power. I'm going to talk about that in a second. They need water. So immediately, human beings start getting rid of the eagles. By 1782, a little over 300 years later, we're down from 500,000 estimate to around 100,000. So already you're seeing a increase. I know. So a little bit of word about what we just witnessed here. Birds poop. Birds poop a lot. And think about it. We have organs and digestive systems that will hold that till the appropriate time, maybe once or twice a day, depending. They need to go all the time. Why do you think that might be? They live their weight, exactly. They're getting ready to fly. They need to live to lighten their load. Excuse me.